let me show you a problem with the Fox body that I mentioned in one of my earlier videos very briefly. So I ordered what I believe to be the fix to the door, and it's supposed to be called a door tension check spring or something like that. But and it looks, I believe these are the correct pieces, but in the piece that I got from LMR, it says 1982 to 1983 door check tension arms. I'm hoping that this is just a mislabeling or mistake package. I did send them an email to double check, but I'm going to try and see if these will work. So allegedly you can do this job without taking the fender off, but we'll see. I just pulled this lining out and discovered there is a dead bee in my car. Hopefully it doesn't come back to life and try to kill me. Anyways, grab the light. So you can see, if I can figure out how to use the camera. So the piece that I'm trying to replace, it's kind of hard to see at this angle, but it's actually the piece behind this little nut. So I basically have to remove this nut, grind down this little piece down here, pull this out and put the new one in. Not a lot of space to do it, but hopefully we can get it done. I believe it's a 13mm socket. Let's see if this works. Got the screw out. I got my drill with my, what will hopefully work, the die grinder bit. It's gonna be a pretty tight fit with the drill, but we're gonna see if it works. It's kind of hard to see, but it's coming down a little bit. So I got part of it out, but still need to grind the piece down a little bit more, I think. This is taking a lot longer than I thought it would, just in terms of grinding down the, whatever it's called, piece. If you do not have a die grinder, which I assume moves a lot faster and is more maneuverable than a drill, and you're gonna do this job, you should probably buy one or rent one. I finally got it out. There's the pieces. This is all the shit that it took for me to get that thing out, those pieces out. And I have some wounds. Oh my God. That took like 30, 40 minutes. So here is the new piece and here is the remnants of the old piece. The only thing I'm a little confused about is this this little bit in the video, the installation video in LMR, it doesn't say to use that. So it seems like I have enough of a bit there that I can put the new pieces on, but I don't know, we'll see. It's kind of cockeyed a little bit, but let me see if I can get it straightened out. Hard to tell from this angle, but it looks a little bit uneven. I'm just gonna leave the car up before while I test it, just in case I need to change anything. Seems like it's still closing, but I can't tell if that's just because the car is lifted on one side. Okay, now time for the real moment of truth to see if we have achieved victory. Ha-ha! Victory. Thank you for joining me on this successful journey. Incredible. Incredible. This is very exciting.